The action camera landscape is always in flux, with companies constantly pushing the envelope of innovation. This time, it's Insta360 making waves with the rumored release of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Early leaks suggest that this new model might be a serious contender to challenge the dominance of action camera giants like DJI and GoPro. Could this camera be the next big thing in adventure videography? From superior stabilization technology to groundbreaking AI-driven features, let's delve into everything we know so far and why the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might just redefine the future of action cameras. The first area of intrigue surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its reported build quality and durability upgrades. According to insiders, the Ace Pro 2 might take durability to the next level. Expect a reinforced outer shell with a new shock-absorbing material and a body that's engineered to withstand even more extreme conditions than its predecessor. Additionally, improved water resistance capabilities could make this device a perfect companion for underwater exploration, with early reports suggesting it could reach depths of up to 20 meters without requiring an external housing. Its ability to perform in extreme temperatures, from freezing mountaintops to scorching deserts, could also set a new standard for adventure cameras. This makes it an ideal option for those who enjoy challenging environments and need. Battery life is a critical consideration for any action camera, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might deliver on this front as well. Rumors suggest an increase in battery capacity, which could extend recording time significantly, potentially allowing users to capture hours of continuous footage. Audio quality is often overlooked in action cameras, but it can be just as important as the video. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might come with improved microphone technology, capable of capturing clear audio even in windy or noisy environments. As for pricing and availability, there's still a lot of speculation. Some industry experts predict that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 could be priced competitively against the latest models from DJI and GoPro, possibly in the $400 $600 range. In summary, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has all the makings of a flagship action camera that could disrupt the current market leaders. With rumored features like HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization, advanced AI capabilities, modular adaptability, and real-time sharing options, this device seems poised to set new benchmarks in the industry. While we'll have to wait for the official reveal to confirm these details, the excitement surrounding the Ace Pro 2 suggests that both DJI and GoPro might have to rethink their strategies. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's see if Insta360 can truly deliver a game changer that shifts the paradigm of what's possible in action videography. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any news on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and other upcoming gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.